It's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you guys how to light up objects in your image. Example, say you want to light up your text. You want your text to have like this neon glow, neon flicker. Say you have an image of a character and you want their eyes to glow. Example of something I did in one of my other videos where I was showing you guys how to light up the lights on the car. So for this video, I'm going to show you how I did that and how you can do it as well. So open up your Blender. You start off with this default cube. Delete the default cube. I'm going to use the monkey. So at the top, it's going to say add, then choose the mesh and then choose what you want. I'm going to add a subdivision. So with the monkey selected, go to the right. You're going to see a whole bunch of different properties. Now there's one with a wrench. It's called the modifier tool. Go to the modifier section. In the drop down menu, I want you to choose subdivision surface. I'm putting mine up to 2. There's going to be a little like arrow pointing down. This is how you apply your modifier. Make sure whatever object you're trying to glow is selected. I'm going to smoothen out my monkey, so I'm going to right click on the monkey, go to auto smooth. I'm going to go to the back to the right drop down section. In the green upside down triangle vertices, there's something called normals. Open that drop down menu and make sure that it's checked to auto smooth. Okay, that's done. Nice. We're going back to the right again. There's going to be this like circle, little red circle somewhere at the bottom. That's how you change the color on all of your images. So right underneath where it says use nodes, it's going to say surface. Click that. Now choose emission. You can go to where it says color. You can change your color. You can go to strength and raise the strength, so there's going to be more glow. Now you may not see a glow right now. That's because you have to go to the top where there's 4 circles, put it on material view or render. We're almost there, one more step. You're gonna go in the same section where the modifier is. If you keep going, scrolling up to the top, you're gonna see render, the second icon from the top. Where it says cycles or Eevee, you wanna keep that on Eevee. We're gonna keep going down, and it's gonna say bloom. Where you see bloom, you're gonna see bloom, you turn that on. After you turn that on, you can raise the intensity to make the image brighter, or you can drop the intensity to make it dimmer. And pretty much that's it. You're all set to go. And yeah, that's how you make any object emit light in Blender. Thank you for watching. Peace.